In this lesson, we will review the questions and answers part 1 for RSTP and EtherChannel configurations. Let's get started with the first question. Assuming the interface E01 is the member of the EtherChannel Group 1, what settings must match on a new interface added to the channel? So from the screenshot, it shows us with the command show interface E01 switch port. With this command, we can find out the operational mode is the access mode. Therefore, we will also need to check the access VLAN, and in this case, it is VLAN 10. So the answer in this question is C. The operational mode is access and the access VLAN is VLAN 10. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. EtherChannel interface requirements. The question reads, what protocol is used from the EtherChannel Group 1 on IT Life Skill Switch 1? As you can see from the screenshot, the protocol is dash, which means no protocol is used and it is configured manually with the mode on. So the answer for this question is D. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Configuring layer 2 EtherChannels manual mode. The question reads, what is the priority value of IT Life Skill Switch 2 for VLAN 10 after you issue the command spanning -3 VLAN 10 root secondary? After you issue this command, the priority value of the IT Life Skill Switch 2 for VLAN 10 will be set to the predefined value of 28,672. So the answer for this question is A. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol additional features. The question reads, to form an Ether channel with IT Life Skill Switch 1, you issue the command channel group 1 mode auto on IT Life Skill Switch 3 40net switch. What will happen? First of all, we need to recognize that when we issue the command channel group 1 mode auto, meaning we are using PHGP protocol, and PHGP is a Cisco proprietary protocol and it only works on Cisco switches. When you issue the command on a 40net switch, it will give you an error. To form an Ether channel between a Cisco switch and a 40net switch, we must issue the command channel group 1 mode active on both switches, since it triggers the RSTP protocol, and RSTP is the IEEE standard protocol that can run on any switches. Therefore, the answer for this question is D. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Configuring layer 2 Ether channels dynamic mode PHGP. The question reads, when configured with an Ether channel, how switches prevent the loop of broadcast frames among the parallel links within the channel? As you may remember, when a switch configured with an Ether channel, it will create a logical port channel interface, and the switch will build its MAC address table using that logical interface. For example, when IT Life Skill Switch 1 generates a broadcast frame, the broadcast frame will eventually select a physical link and send to IT Life Skill Switch 3. When IT Life Skill Switch 3 receives a broadcast frame, it sees the broadcast frame comes out of the logical port channel interface, therefore it will never send back the frame to the logical port channel interface, which prevents the loop. Therefore, the answer in this question is B. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. EtherChannel load distribution. The question reads, what are the values for priority system extended ID and system ID of IT Life Skill Switch 3 for VLAN 1? The easiest way to answer this question is that it is for VLAN 1, so the system extended ID must be 1. And it asks for IT Life Skill Switch 3, so here is the MAC address or the system ID of IT Life Skill Switch 3. Therefore, the answer for this question is D. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol additional features. The question reads, to form an Ether channel with IT Life Skill Switch 1, you issue the command channel group 1 mode passive on IT Life Skill Switch 3. What will happen? First of all, we need to recognize that IT Life Skill Switch 1 have been configured with the command channel group 1 mode passive. And we know that a switch configured with passive option only replies to LACP packets, so it only forms an Ether channel if it receives LACP packets. Therefore, when you issue the command channel group 1 mode passive on IT Life Skill Switch 3, the channel will not be formed. To form the Ether channel, you need to issue the command channel group 1 mode active, which makes the switch initiate LACP packets to form the Ether channel. Therefore, the answer for this question is C. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Configuring layer 2 Ether channels, dynamic mode, LACP. This is the end of this lesson. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.